In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear your browsing cache in Google Chrome. To begin, make sure Google Chrome is open and you are looking at a regular browser window. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see a small menu button that looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click that 3-dot menu to open the main Chrome options. A drop-down menu will appear with several settings and tools. From that menu, select the option labeled Delete Browsing Data. When you click it, Chrome will open the browsing data screen where you can clear stored information, including cached files. On this screen, take a moment to read what Chrome is about to remove so you understand the effect. Clearing cached images and files typically helps with website performance and visual glitches, while leaving other items untouched. If your goal is specifically to clear the cache, focus on the options related to cached content. Also, keep in mind that clearing the cache may make some sites load a little slower the first time you revisit them because Chrome will need to download fresh files again. After you confirm you are on the Delete Browsing Data screen, proceed with the prompts provided there to complete the cache clearing process. Once it finishes, you can close the Settings tab or window and return to browsing. For best results, refresh the web page you were having trouble with or reopen the site in a new tab so Chrome loads the newest version. And that is all there is to it.